Hello, I'm Janet Schultz, the very proud superintendent of Pittsburgh Unified School District. We are in unprecedented times. While 6 months ago, none of us would have imagined that we would be starting the school year in full distance learning. But we have been planning this entire summer to make sure that we're providing the best education and supports in the safest way to our scholars and families. Welcome to the 2020-2021 school year, and we want to highlight some of the health and safety procedures we are doing during this time. Full-time distance learning does not mean we are not open for business. All of our school sites and offices are open. We are following strict processes for interacting with each other and the public. If you have a need to see someone in one of our offices in person, please call ahead of time to schedule an appointment. You will need to wear a mask and follow the social distancing of 6 feet. We are conducting most of our business virtually or over the phone and are limiting public in-person interactions.
Perfect. Raise your hand.
Teachers may choose to work from home during this time, or they may choose to work from their classroom. Our team is making sure our schools and offices are clean and sanitized.
Hello, I'm Matt Velasco, Director of Maintenance, Operations, and Transportation here at Pittsburgh Unified School District. Keeping our sites safe during distance learning is our top priority. Our classrooms and facilities have been deep cleaned and are safe for staff. If teachers choose to work from school, their classrooms will be disinfected daily. Every day, our custodians are cleaning desks, doorknobs, bathrooms, and other high-traffic areas to ensure the safety of all our employees.
Hello, my name is Nelson Alegria, and I'm the Supervisor for Site Safety and Emergency Preparedness. Part of my job is to make sure that we follow state and county health guidelines at our schools to help keep us safe. We have provided personal protection equipment, or PPE, for all staff members. Face shields, masks, hand sanitizer, gloves, and plexiglass barriers are at all of our facilities to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Signage at our buildings helps remind us to follow good hygiene, wear our masks, and stay 6 feet apart.
Hi, my name is Angela Nava. I'm Director of Child Nutrition with Pittsburgh Unified School District. My role here is to manage, oversee, and implement regulations and policies from USDA and California Department of Education. This includes following strict health and safety protocols in preparing and serving meals to our children throughout PUSD. During distance learning and over summer break, the Child Nutrition Department provided thousands of grab-and-go meals for our families. If you haven't already done so, I encourage you to fill out an application for free and reduced meals for your child as soon as possible. Each school year, a new meal application must be completed for your child or children. One application per household is sufficient.
Thank you to all of our students, teachers, staff, labor partners, parents and families, administrators, and our school board. We appreciate all of the feedback we have received over the last few months, and we have used it to develop the best and the safest plans to support the teaching and learning of our students during this time.